Hi, I'm Mark Hughes.
This is Jan Lapnet.
And I'm Christian Pedregal, and we are the Python Gurus.
Here with the Python Gurus, we know the struggle of taking care of plants. Spending countless hours of research just to have your plant whittle away? Well, here with the Python Gurus, we have the device that just might suffice.
Introducing the Planter 42069. With built-in CircuitPython and Adafruit design, we aim to finally find a solution for your plant's needs. We have designed our product for contactless interaction for your plant, and you can also keep the satisfaction of being a successful Instagram plant mom or dad. Some of our design specifications include being able to water the plant on its own, measuring the light intensity of the plant, letting the user know when the water level is too low, and finally, being able to control manually the watering and lighting of the plant.
For the engineers out there, we would like to take our time and showcase how our product was innovated. We'll start off with our block diagram and expound upon our key ideas for our planter. First, we implemented a water subsystem to control how much water the plant would be receiving based on its soil moisture level. Second, we added a blinds subsystem to control how much light the plant would be receiving based off of its light intensity and ambient temperature. And finally, as said before, we wanted our consumer to have contactless interaction with the planter. So we used the CircuitPython Bluetooth library to connect one smartphone to the planter itself for manual control.
For the real engineers out there, we included a diagram of the blueprints of the device so you can see what is really going on under the hood. To highlight the most important components, we used a 10K resistor and 100 microfarads capacitor in tandem as a high-pass filter. The Interact Wing, the NRF board, the ULN2803 transistor, and the breadboard power supply module.
And for the realist of engineers, we will talk about the ever-changing structure of the components as we get into the CAD drawings, which we 3D printed. We first have the rod, which is used to rotate each of the blinds. Then we have the casing of the blinds so that we can position them horizontally. Finally, we have the black slats, which we actually use as the blinds.
To break down our project into its different functions, we separated it into its two subsystems, the water subsystem and the blinds subsystem. Speaking for the water subsystem first, we comprise it into the DC water pump, the capacitive soil moisture sensor, the water level detection sensor, and the Interact Wing speaker.
For the blind subsystem, we comprise it of the servo motor, photoresistor, and temperature sensor on the Interact Wing. The servo motor is used to control the angle of the blinds by rotating a rod we have inside the blind system. The photoresistor and temperature sensor are used in tandem as a function in our code to dictate what angle the blinds should be at. If the light and temperature are really high, the blinds will close. If the light and temperature are really low, the blinds will open. Because the ambient temperature does not change too much, we put more emphasis on the light to control the angle of the blinds.
Wait, we have to actually show the product?
Now for the most anticipated part, the demo. We hope you guys enjoy the sheer functionality of our product.
While completing this project, we learned more about how vertical blinds actually work. We learned how to properly read data sheets, and overall, I think we all learned how to actually take care of a plant.
If we were to further this project, we would introduce a weekly report of the performance statistics of the planter, create a housing unit for our product, and create a data structure for more plants with the following attributes: their pump time and their dependence on light intensity versus ambient temperature.
Alright, well, we hope you guys really enjoyed watching the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed the content. And now we're going to be opening up the floor for questions from you guys. Thank you.